What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. This power bank has a lightning cable built in. So let's take a close look at this charger, 6,000 milliamps. It's by Olala. Ooh la la. And the lightning connector is what makes it really interesting to me. Ooh. Cut it open there and boom, beautiful white. And it looks like we also have a micro USB cable right here so that we can charge it up. Looks like that might be the only thing. You can also use it to, charge it up, I think, by this in port right there, but also use the out to charge up, an Android device, something like that. But it's really nice. Look at that. iPod, iPhone, iPad. I don't know why they mark it like that, but yeah, you could certainly charge an iPad. It's really slick white plastic. We have kind of this aluminum band. Looks like a power button right there. And looks like it's 75% charged. 3 of the 4 LED lights are on. Band goes all the way around. And then this is the business end because everything's up here, including this lightning cable. And, it's kind of interesting because the cable is pretty far in there. I guess you just push it back down. Seems like it's winding up on something. So that's kind of interesting. All right, now I do have a real iPhone here, and I thought I would plug that in. And boom, it's charging. So, absolutely works. Another cool charging bank, power bank, that will absolutely charge up your device when you need power. Now, again, this one is a little biased to Apple devices. Push it back in there. Super nice and compact. Take a look at this. This is like a plus-sized iPhone, and it's smaller than that. So you can put this in any pocket. Put it in your shirt pocket or your pants pocket if you need to. Hey, if you want to pick up this little bad boy by Olala, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.